Only a rig and animation, and it was designed very for this specific feature. So here you've got the full interface. It's a big 3D viewport. You've got all the menus inside this viewport. It is the animation side, and if you click here, you've got the rigging side. No more. The first things to know about Akitsu is that here you've got only one skeleton and one skinning, no more. It means that you go very fast to prepare a character, it's extremely light. Here you select your character by directly click on the mesh, a bit like in Presto. You've got this, which is the spinners. The spinners are 2D spatial manipulators. It is a very big, interesting feature because we don't use a lot standard 3D widget because you spend your time to turn around your camera to grab the axis, and each time you change your selection you need to do the job again. So at the end of the day you spend more time to turn your camera than you make your posing. So in Akitsu you place your spinner into your visual field, but you look at the character and then you place your camera in the view you want to make your posing, and then you let your mouse into the spinner and then you turn. I don't look at it, I look here, but I knowing I'm making some X, Y on Z rotation. And as I have a custom order selection into my picker, I'm navigating extremely fast into my keyboard shortcuts, into my hierarchy, so I can go extremely fast by making my FK posing. So that's the way we are working FK posing into Akitsu. You can make, of course, move, rotate, scale. We have here, oops, sorry. We have here the standard rotate mode, and if you make a right click, we've got a spatial rotate mode. So without any rigging, you can make some interesting tilts and bends. We have the same approach for scale. It means that here you can have the standard scale, and if you make a right click on it, here you've got the tune scale mode. So it's built in, it's easy. Now I will go back into the animation part. So Akitsu is a real animation, so we don't make only cycles, even we have some very cool features according cycles. So about cycles, I will show you how it works. So we're making only the first step. Here I have only 4 keyframes. Oh, and I didn't show you, we have an integrated F-curve editor directly into the 3D viewport. It's a real one. I mean, if you select a curve, it becomes in front of the character, and then you can play with it, update it. So here I have my first step, right? If you're okay with this result, you hit into the cycle maker this feature, and now it created automatically the second step. So now I have my full animation in one click. I have not a very nice loop because I didn't activate the loop mode, so here I activated it. So now I have a big and nice loop automatic between my first and my last keyframe. I don't have to manage it. It copies my first, put it at the end, and it's totally automatic. When you work like this, you never know how we'll interpret